Hello everyone, welcome to the next class of ADAS and its components. Today we are going to start with the new headings of this chapter. Before starting these headings, we are going to start to revise some formulas, that is AD equals to C plus I or AS equals to C plus S. AS can also be termed as Y or it can be termed as Y equals to C plus S. This was the situations of that we have already done in the last class. Today we are going to start with the new headings of this chapter, that is propensity to consume and propensity to save. Propensity to consume can further be classified into two parts. One is APC, one is MPC. In the same manner, propensity to save can be classified into two parts. One is APS, one is MPS. APC means average propensity to consume. APC means average propensity to consume. मतलब different levels of consumption at different levels of income, and it can be calculated as APC equals to C upon Y. MPC, marginal propensity to consume, and it can be calculated as MPC equals to delta C upon delta Y. Or its definition can be like this: APC is the ratio of consumption and income, MPC is the ratio of change in consumption and change in income. In the same manner, APC stands for average propensity to save, or APS can be classified as S upon Y. MPS, marginal propensity to save, that is MPS equals to delta S upon delta Y. Directly its meaning is APS is the ratio of savings and income, MPS is the ratio of change in savings and change in income. Now the next heading is relationship between APC and APS. First of all, APC plus APS equals to C upon Y plus S upon Y, that is upon Y C plus S. As we have already known, Y equals to C plus S from this formula. So I am writing down APC equals to APC plus APS equals to Y upon Y. So APC plus APS equals to 1. Next heading, relationship between MPC and MPS, that is MPC plus MPS equals to delta C upon delta Y plus delta S upon delta Y. It can be calculated as, or it can be written as delta C plus delta S upon delta Y. Here I am writing down Y equal to C plus S, delta Y equal to delta C plus delta S, that is delta Y upon delta Y. It means MPC plus MPS equals to 1. So we have discussed the formulas like this: APC equals to C upon Y, APS equals to S upon Y, MPC equals to delta C upon delta Y, MPS equals to delta S upon delta Y, APC plus APS equals to 1, MPC plus MPS equals to 1. Now we are going to start with its numerical part only, that is how to find out different kinds of values under different situations. Now we are starting with the numerical part of the formulas that we have already done. We are revising the formulas once again. AD equals to C plus I, AS equals to C plus S, AS equals to Y, Y equal to C plus S, APC equals to C upon Y, APS equals to S upon Y, MPC equals to delta C upon delta Y, MPS equals to delta S upon delta Y. Now we are starting its questions. Heading is Y and C. These two values were given in the question. What we need to do is we need to find out MPC, MPS, APS, APC. One question can be done by more than one methods. That is, we are adopting one or two methods to solve each and every heading under this situation. What I am doing is, first of all, I am giving one space to finding out S. As Y equal to C plus S, So S equals to y minus c. First value is minus 20, minus 5, 10, 25. Is it clear? Next what we need to find out is MPC. Formula for this is delta c upon delta y. First value is dash. Delta c means change in c, that is 5. 5 upon 50. 5 upon 50, that is 0.10. Next value, delta c. Sorry. Change is 35. 35 upon 50, that is 0.7. Next change is 35. 35 upon 50, 0.7. Next change is 35. 35 upon 50, 0.7. With the help of this, we need to find out MPC. We are able to find out MPC by two methods. First is MPS equals to delta S upon delta Y, or we can say that MPS equals to 1 minus MPC. So it says it was 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. APS can be found out as S upon Y, that is minus 20 upon 0 infinite. First value dash. Next value S upon Y, minus 5 upon minus 5 upon 50, that is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 means 0.10 minus. Next 10 upon 100. Next is 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100 means 1 upon 10, that is 0.10. Next 25 upon 150. I am writing down 25 upon 150. 25 ones are 25. 25 6 are, that is 1 upon 6. You can write down 1 upon 6, or you can write down in the fraction only, no issues. Next value 1.10, 0.90, and this can be calculated as 125 upon 150, that is 5 upon 6, that is 0.80, and this can be written as 0.20. First question is like this. In the second question, what I have written, income is given, savings is given, and MPC is given. What we need to do is APC, APS and MPS we need to find out. What I am doing right now is, first of all I am writing down C here. C means y minus s, that is 0 minus minus 80. I am writing down 0 minus minus 80. It can be termed as plus 80. Formula for MPC is delta c upon delta y. Formula for MPC is delta c upon delta y. I am writing down here MPC equals to delta c upon delta y. I am writing down 0.5 equals to delta c upon 50, that is delta c equals to 25. So next value is 105. Again the change is due to 25, that is 130, 155 and 180. So APC can be finding out as c upon y, that is 80 upon 0 dash. Next is 105 upon 50, 130 upon 100, 155 upon 150, 180 upon 200. So APS can be finding out as S upon y. So we are able to find out S in this formula also, as equals to y minus c. 0 minus 80 minus 80. 50 minus 105, that is minus 55. 100 minus 130 minus 30. 150 minus 55 minus 5. 200 minus 180, that is 20. With the help of this, we are able to find out APS and MPS also. APS equals to S upon y, MPS equals to delta S upon delta y, or we can say that we can find out APS as 1 minus APC and MPS as 1 minus MPC. Is it clear? So I am writing down two more formulas here, that is first having consumption function, that is C equals to C bar plus dy. Next is S function. Just for a time we are writing down formula S equals to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into y. This we are going to explain in the next part of the chapter. Thank you.